What's up, YouTube? Man. Today is a great day. First and foremost, man, this one of the best days I've had since this shoes release until now. Two of the best days I've had in the sneaker game, okay? In my sneaker history game, this is one of the best days I've had. This shoes right here, man. This is one of my biggest L's and turned to one of my biggest W's. This shoe, I'm gonna tell y'all the story, the backstory behind the shoes. So sit back, you know what I'm saying, and just enjoy the story. And I'm gonna show y'all the shoes in a minute. Pretty sure y'all already know the shoes by the thumbnail or the title. I don't know what I'm gonna title is yet, but y'all already know. But just listen to my story, and I'm gonna show y'all the unboxing. And then in another video, I'm gonna show y'all the on feet review. So I'm just trying to enjoy these shoes right now, y'all. I'm just trying to look at them. I'm in the corner of my eye when we're looking at them, and I'm just trying to admire them, enjoy them right now. So thank y'all for rocking with me, man. The subscribers are going up. The likes and comments are going up. Sorry I haven't been dropping videos like that, you know what I'm saying? So also the Chunky Dunk is released today. I took 8 L's on that, so yeah. So next we're gonna try for is those Travis Scott 270s. I like those. A lot of people sleeping on those. A lot of people hating on those, but I like them. So we're gonna go for them. So here go my story, y'all. Appreciate on these shoes on All-Star Weekend, right? Got them. Got the confirmation email. Got everything. Nike says, okay, cool. You got the shoes. So like a few days went by. I ain't got no shipping confirmation, right? I'm like, dang, what's going on? The last time this happened with me, it was on my Travis Scott 6s, right? I got them signed, but I never got a confirmation email on those, so, and those never did ship. So I started panicking now, starting to get scared. I said, dang, bro, these are my size, one of my favorite silhouette, and this shoes is dope to me, and I'm not gonna get these shoes. I said, damn. Anyway, the day came for the shoes to arrive. I called, it didn't arrive, they never shipped. Hit up Nike, they told me it got delayed. Sent me a little delayed email saying, hey, it's been delayed. You know what I'm saying? They're going new delivery day or whatever. So waited. They said wait 4 days or something, or 24 hours for them to find the shoes. If they don't find the shoes, they're gonna cancel it. Of course, canceled. I said, dang, I ain't finna get these shoes, bro. So anyway, I'm pissed off. I'm mad, bro. I'm like heated. I was mad about this shoes for a good month, right? I was so mad to the point where I started calling customer service and everything. I wanted to talk to Nike himself. I don't know who he is, but I wanted to talk to that man himself because I need these shoes. Y'all told me I got them. Y'all don't give me the confirmation email, and now y'all talking about I'm not finna get them? This hype shoes? And I'm not finna go pay no resale for these. No, sir. Even though the resale dipped down on them, still not finna pay no $700 for these. Nope. Okay, yeah. Like I was saying, so then after that, I kind of moved on from it, you know what I'm saying? I'm still hurt by it. Every time I see somebody post a shoe, rocking the shoe, then after that, man, it was like All-Star Weekend. Folks went to Chicago, copying multiple pair of these shoes. I said, boy, that's my side right there. And I'm like thinking, so All-Star Weekend gonna be over with. Some of these stores are gonna have the leftovers and all that. Nope. So after all that, the hype died down and all that was over with. I kind of like, you know what I'm saying, just grow through it, right? So, fast forward, 4 months later, this happened in February. We're in May. So fast forward, right? Something just told me, the Chunky Dunkies was coming out. And something just told me, I'm like, let me call the person I spoke with. You know what I'm saying? Previously, like in February, we searched high and low, right? Let me see if they can get me these Chunky Dunkies since I missed out on them. You know what I'm talking about. Called up. So they're like, nah, fortunately they can't do that. They can't even get it for themselves or family or whatever until the shoe release. They gotta, try just like everybody else. I'm like, okay, cool. So I'm like, before you go, you mind checking to see if, well, it wasn't even like that. It wasn't even like that. It was like, I asked about this shoe first, and I asked about the Chunky Dunky. So I'm like, hey, is it cool if we can check to see if we can find these shoes again. You know what I'm saying? Because I really do still want them. Anyway, she said, okay, yeah, fine, cool. I will do what I can do, and I'll let you know tomorrow. Bro, when I tell you, once them folks opened up, the person called me like 10 minutes later and be like, I was nervous. I was like, oh, Lord. And I said, hello. Like, hey, this is so-and-so. And I was like, okay. Like, hey, how you doing? Said, I'm doing good, and blah, blah, blah. We found the shoes. I said, what? I said, we found the shoes, and it's in the inventory, and we're going to ship it out to you, blah, blah, blah. I need your information, and, you know, book. I said, this is for real. So I gave my information, and then she was like, think something about it. The next day, I got another call saying, no, did I get a call? I don't think I got a call. The next day, I didn't hear anything, so I called. And then the person was like, oh, yeah, I was just about to call, you know what I'm saying? I was getting caught up with everything to let you know the shoes has been shipped and will be there Tuesday because Monday was Memorial Day. I say, so you're telling me it's already shipped and it's going to be to me? It is on the way to me? She said, yeah. And when she get back to work, she going to send me my tracking number. Bro. Sunday, I got the tracking number, and I tracked that thing. That thing was moving. I could not believe it. Monday, I was the longest Memorial Day I ever had in my life. Because it wasn't nothing moving on Monday, because it was holiday. Tuesday, that John said, on the truck and out for delivery. Oh, my God. Bro, when I told you I sat in my driveway for a good... from 5 o'clock to 2:30 p.m. waiting on this FedEx driver. And FedEx Slick kind of finessed me because the first truck that pulled up, man, I'm walking down the driveway like, yeah, I'm finna go get my shoe, right? The man said, what's up? I said, you got a package for me? No, I ain't got no package for that address. I said, bro, you can't check for me? No, this dude was in a tank top and everything, right? Bumping music. I said, bro, you can't check for me? No, I can't even check, bro. I said, dang, okay, cool. I made sure I got the truck number because I was like, this man finna steal my shoe. I'm like, I'm not finna go out like this, bro. It's been 4 months. I've been waiting, and then for FedEx to come take. So I sat down, like, I ain't finna call FedEx yet because they said by 8 p.m. So this was like 2 o'clock. So I sat down, and I waited on 30 minutes, and then next thing I know, a small ass FedEx van pulling up. I said, yup. Stopped right in front of my crib, hopped out, beep, beep, with a Nike box. I said, oh my God. And then I walked up to my little driveway, and here is what happened next. Check it out. Okay, YouTube. All right. We're finna do the unboxing right here, right now, okay? Because I really don't want to bring this box inside because of all of what's going on right now. So y'all see the Nike box. Y'all see the Just Do It. Just Steal the Tape. Man, I've been sitting outside. Oh, man, forgive me, y'all. I'm ashy. Bro, I've been sitting outside this whole time. I've been waiting on FedEx, bro. FedEx ain't never late, bro. But guess what? Guess what day they want to be late? The day when we cop these, bro. So, man, I don't even want to, I'm so excited right now. And I don't want y'all to miss out on the unboxing. So, this is what I'm going to do. Man, I sprayed the box down with Lysol. I got my mask on too. Okay. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, let down say my address. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is this? Oh man, my mask getting on my face. Okay. Bro, is this what I really think it is? This is unboxing, y'all. This is unboxing. So when I go inside, y'all gonna see a whole different me and all that. I'm finna, bro. I don't even want to open the box. I see the little jump in right there, but damn. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this, bro. Oh. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Bro. Bro.
No. Oh my God. After 4 months, bro, on hitting on the Nike app, I finally, bro. If y'all could see my face right now, bro, I'm sweating. Man, look at these. I got them. I finally got them, bro. February, I hit on these. I got them signed, and Nike never shipped them. They told me they was lost in the warehouse, so I forgot all about them. I gave up, but I really didn't give up because 4 months later, I called again and I tried. But I'm gonna tell y'all the story. Oh my God! Don't they supposed to have a white lace too? Oh yep, white lace came off, bro. Okay, I gotta go get dressed. I gotta go back. See y'all soon.